Welcome back, everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com, and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back, everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about a little more things about the Angular, about the events. Actually, I was just thinking that I should teach you also another event, a way which is, you can say, the two-way binding. That means actually receiving the data and sending the data back to there. And we actually did that already. If you just notice that when we're just hovering, and here we're just getting the data back, only not proceeding, but we are getting something too. So this is called two-way data binding. So just leave that thing. I just want some kind of I just want to put some kind of more interest in it. So I'm just going there to the component HTML, the content components HTML file, and here I'm just telling that on mouse leave I've made that, on mouse inner I've made that, but there I'm just putting something like click. When someone clicks, what should happen when someone clicks? So there I'm just programming for this thing. If someone clicks on it, view and wait for a little minute. Okay, that's cool. And now I just wrapped it up. So now here when someone, oh sorry, this should be there. That's more cool. Now when someone clicks on it, the content, it should send something like dollar. Sorry, first of all, the event. So the click event click func. Okay, the parentheses, and now inside the parentheses, I'm just putting something like event. Okay, the variable. So now here I'm actually just sending the value, or actually let's just put some real data. I'm just putting something like hello world, something, whatever. So then when anyone clicks, and this event will work, this method will work on the click. So I'm just going to the component ts file of content. So I'm just going there in line breaking and just typing something like event click func, parentheses, curly braces, and line break, and there event. Okay, and there I'm just calling this dot. Now it's not going to be the class. I'm making something like this dot. I just need to make a variable first, and I'm just putting something like string. Okay, a string var or str1, something like that. And the value for this str, I'm just putting not in this way, but the event we just called at the top here, this one. Now here I just want to declare another variable, the str1. now that actually makes sense. Anything, now I'm just going there, I just want to clear you what I just did. Anything whenever anyone clicks here, now it's actually the way to just use these things in the form. So you can just try with the form using with the keyboard elements, the keyboard events. It is really simple. I just want to clear you the logic here, so then you can use the keyboard events too. So when someone clicks on it, it's actually getting the data. You can just put something like the key press or key down, and then you just can update the data, and you'll get the data automatically by just typing that. So there is the hello world, and it's just sending when anyone clicks on it, and then by it's just getting sent by this method. And here I'm just getting this method here, the method. Now where I'm just using the str1 inside the same inside the same HTML file. There somewhere I'm just going to use it. Here I'm just putting something like p, and then I'm just typing str1. Save it. Now go to the browser, and there is something we did wrong. Need to check this out, what we did as wrong. Here is the component HTML, the component CSS file, and there we just declared the variable. Looks like everything perfect to me here. If I just go to the component.html, and yeah, there a little thing, you know, that it's the event click function, so there it should be inside the single or double quotes. However, we just use the double quotes for the main value, so I'm just using the single quote because it's a string, so we just want to make sure it's a string. Save it. Now go to the browser to check the result, and now it's just working. Hover the mouse, you can see that it's working, but when I just click, I'm getting the hello world. And from where this hello world is coming, hello world is coming from, you know, from where it is coming. If I just go there, when anyone calling this function, and how this function is getting triggered when I just go there by clicking on his div, the whole div. This is triggering with this value, and this value is getting placed there. And I think you just understood all the scenario behind this logic. So in the next class we'll be learning some more things. Stay tuned, and as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.